Lottie. Oh, hey guys, I'm playing hide and seek with Chase. Chase? Well, guys, I can't find him. I tried recording this before, but yeah. Where'd that Chase go? Where's that Chase? Where's that Chase? Chase! Come out wherever you are! Try to. I don't know, but you're really good. Next time I'm gonna hide, guys, I think. I hope. I wonder. Where is he? Holy, where is he? Chase! Wait, is that who I think it is? Literally? You were there the whole time?
No,
I was literally everywhere.
so 20 seconds before I moved there, and then to the log, and then to the behind the thing, and I went back here. So pretty much yes.
I'm mad at you.
I saw you. I saw.
Okay, I'm hiding now. I'm hiding. Okay, guys, we need to hide.
I only brought 3 bags. That's it.